It is.
Empty. You drunk.
That's why it ain't starting?
No, it ain't starting because you fucked that up. But you need to put that cooler in there before you fuck that up.
You need to put some oil in there too for you fuck that
You
up.
need to change it. Fuck put it in there. You need to change
Yeah.
it.
Don't just add it, change it.
Alright, well, while y'all at it, mechanics, I might as well check that one too. Fuck y'all talking about.
Listen. Damn. That's why. You know what?
This joint fucked up.
What the fuck?
This hurt fucked up.
What the